In this video I will show you how to replace the starter motor on 2008 to 2012 Honda Accord vehicles equipped with 4-cylinder engine. Step number 1. Park the vehicle on a level surface. Engage the emergency brake and place blocks in front of and behind the rear wheels for safety. 2. Open the engine compartment and loosen the nut securing the negative battery terminal cable with a 10 mm wrench. Once loose, pull the cable up by hand to disconnect it. 3. Remove the 2 bolts securing the top engine cover with a ratchet and a 10 mm socket. Once the bolts are removed, proceed to remove the cover by simply pulling it up with your hands. 4. Next, loosen the bolts on the air intake duct clamps with an 8 mm wrench or 8 mm socket and a ratchet. 5. Once the clamps are loose, disconnect the air intake duct at both ends by pulling it outward with your hands and set it aside. 6. Disconnect the electrical plug from the throttle body by pressing inward on the connector lock and pulling upward simultaneously to disconnect it. 7. Next, remove the bolt fastening the bracket to the throttle body shown on the screen using a 10 mm socket and a ratchet and move the bracket to the side. 8. Disconnect the map sensor electrical plug by pressing inward on the connector lock and pulling the connector away from the sensor to completely disconnect it. 9. Disconnect the hose shown on the screen using needle nose pliers or a hook to slide the clamp back. Once the clamp has been moved back, pull the hose up by hand to disconnect it. 10. Remove the bolt securing the wiring harness using a ratchet and a 10 mm socket. Once the bolt has been removed, pull the wiring harness to the side. 11. Next, remove the 4 bolts securing the throttle body using a ratchet and a 12 mm socket. Hold the rear support plate shown on the screen with your other hand. 12. Once the bolts have been removed, proceed to remove the throttle body by pulling it out by hand. If necessary, lightly tap the metal part with a rubber mallet to loosen it. 13. Slide the clamp shown on the screen upwards using pliers and pull the hose upwards by hand to disconnect it. 14. Next, disconnect the hoses shown on the screen by pulling them back by hand. 15. Remove all the bolts that fasten the intake manifold in place using an extension, a ratchet, and a 12 mm socket. 16. Once the intake manifold bolts are removed, pull the manifold back slightly to access the hose connected to it shown on the screen. 17. Slide the hose clamp back using pliers and proceed to disconnect the hose by pulling it up by hand. 18. Next, remove the intake manifold from the engine and set it on a clean workbench. 19. Detach the clip holding the wiring harness to the starter motor using needle nose pliers. Push inward on the locking pins with the pliers and simultaneously pull the wiring harness outward to release it. 20. Detach the wiring harness from the retaining clip shown on the screen by pulling it out by hand or prying it out with a flathead screwdriver. 21. Disconnect the starter signal wire by pushing inward on the connector locking pin and pulling it outward simultaneously to disconnect it. 22. Slide back the protective rubber on the starter motor cable with your hand or a small pry bar. 23. Remove the nut holding the positive cable to the starter using a 13 mm wrench. Once the nut is removed, proceed to disconnect the cable from the starter. 24. Remove the bolt holding the starter motor shown on the screen using a ratchet and a 14 mm socket. 25. Next, loosen the other bolt holding the starter motor using a ratchet and a 17 mm socket. Once the bolt is loose, hold the starter motor with one hand and remove the bolt completely with the other hand. 26. Once both bolts have been removed, proceed to remove the starter motor completely by simply pulling it out with your hands. 27. Clean the mating surface using a clean towel and proceed to install the new starter motor in its original position. Install and tighten the retaining bolts according to the specifications described in the owner's manual. 28. Connect the cables to the new starter. Make sure that the nut holding the positive battery cable is tightened properly. 29. Next, clean the intake manifold mating surface using a towel. Install new seals and connect the vacuum hose in its original position. 30. Install the intake manifold in its original position and tighten the bolts starting from the center in 2 steps. In the first step, tighten the bolts to their full stop. In the second step, tighten them to the specifications described in the owner's manual. Reconnect the hoses back in their original position. 31. Clean the throttle body mating surface using a towel. Install a new seal and proceed to install the throttle body back in its original position, ensuring the bolts are tightened properly and the electrical plugs are securely connected. 32. Install the air intake duct in its original position and tighten the clamps securely. 33. Verify that all the components have been installed back in their original position and install the engine plastic cover. Reconnect the negative battery terminal cable and tighten the nut securely. 34. Start the engine to ensure that the starter motor works correctly and that there are no abnormal noises present. That's how simple it is to replace the starter motor on 2008 to 2012 Honda Accord equipped with 4-cylinder engine.